Hey there! Welcome to my channel. If you're in love with French country style, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to completely transform this bedroom into a cozy, spring-inspired French country retreat. From soft, warm whites on the walls to vintage floral prints and luxurious linens, we'll create a space that feels fresh, airy, and full of charm. Stick around till the end for the full reveal and styling tips on how to incorporate spring vibes into your own French country-inspired bedroom, no matter the size. Let's get started with the makeover. French country style is all about creating a space that feels cozy, timeless, and effortlessly elegant. It's a design aesthetic that blends rustic charm with vintage sophistication, perfect for creating a welcoming and serene atmosphere. To infuse spring into this look, we're going to embrace light, airy tones, fresh florals, and natural textures that breathe new life into the space. The core of French country style is rooted in soft, muted colors. Think creamy whites, pale blues, soft greens, and subtle pinks that evoke calmness and freshness. We'll also be incorporating natural materials like wood, linen, and ceramic that bring warmth and texture, while floral patterns will help add a vibrant seasonal touch. For this makeover, the vision is to blend classic French country design with a spring-inspired twist. Light and neutral walls will open up the space, while luxurious bedding, vintage finds, and fresh flowers will create a room that's both cozy and stylish. We'll show you some of the inspiration images to help bring this vision to life and give you ideas you can implement in your own space. Let's move on to the actual transformation of the room, starting with the walls and the perfect base color to set the tone for this beautiful spring bedroom makeover. Now that we have our inspiration set, it's time to start the transformation. The key to achieving a French country spring bedroom is to focus on soft colors, elegant textures, and vintage-inspired details that bring warmth and charm into the space. We're starting with the walls as they create the perfect backdrop for this makeover. A soft, warm white or pale cream will instantly brighten the room, making it feel more spacious and airy. These light tones reflect natural light beautifully and set the stage for the elegant French country aesthetic. Next, we're moving on to the bedding, one of the most important elements of any bedroom. French country design is all about luxurious yet relaxed comfort, so we're layering high-quality linens, a vintage-inspired quilt, and decorative pillows to add depth and texture. Soft floral patterns in subtle hues will introduce the spring feel, while ruffled edges and embroidered details will enhance the romantic, vintage look. Furniture plays a huge role in this transformation, and we're focusing on restoring and enhancing vintage pieces. A reupholstered antique armchair will add character and function, serving as a cozy reading nook. A rustic wooden dresser, either refinished or lightly distressed, will bring in natural warmth, balancing the softness of the linens and decor. These pieces will help create the classic, lived-in charm that defines French country style. With the foundation of the room set, it's time to move on to the final details that will truly bring the French country charm to life. Let's add some decorative accents, lighting, and greenery to complete this spring-inspired transformation. Now that the foundation of the room is set, it's time to bring in the final touches that define the French country aesthetic and give the space a fresh, spring-inspired look. One of the easiest ways to elevate the space is with decorative accents that capture the vintage, rustic elegance of French country style. We're incorporating antique mirrors with distressed frames, vintage floral prints, and lace details to add charm and character. These small details make a big impact by reinforcing the timeless, romantic feel of the room. Lighting is another essential element in creating a cozy, inviting space. Instead of modern fixtures, we're opting for a chandelier or a pair of elegant bedside lamps with classic French country designs. Warm, soft lighting will enhance the ambiance, making the bedroom feel peaceful and relaxing, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. To truly capture the essence of spring, we're adding fresh flowers and greenery. A bouquet of wildflowers in a vintage ceramic vase will serve as a beautiful centerpiece, while potted lavender or rosemary, placed on a nightstand or dresser, will bring a natural, calming fragrance into the room. Greenery helps balance the soft tones of the decor, making the space feel fresh and lively. With all these details in place, the room now radiates the perfect blend of French country elegance and springtime freshness. Now, it's time for the final reveal. Let's take a look at how everything has come together. Now that all the elements are in place, it's time to step back and take in the beautiful transformation of this French country spring bedroom. What was once a plain and uninspired space has now become a cozy, elegant retreat, filled with soft colors, vintage charm, and delicate spring touches. The warm white walls provide the perfect bright and airy foundation, allowing the textured linens, floral prints, and antique furniture to shine. The luxurious bedding with its soft layers, ruffles, and embroidered details instantly creates an inviting and comfortable feel. The addition of the reupholstered vintage armchair and rustic wooden dresser brings warmth and history into the space, making it feel lived in and loved. The decorative accents and lighting complete the transformation, giving the room an unmistakable French country charm. The antique mirrors, vintage floral artwork, and lace details add personality, while the soft, warm glow from the chandelier and bedside lamps enhances the inviting ambiance. The fresh flowers and potted greenery breathe life into the room, making it feel like a true countryside retreat. This makeover is a perfect example of how small, thoughtful changes can create a huge impact, transforming a bedroom into a peaceful, stylish sanctuary. Whether you live in a large home or a small apartment, you can bring elements of French country elegance into your space with simple, budget-friendly updates. That's it for today's French country spring bedroom makeover. What do you think of this transformation? Which element was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this makeover and want more French country and spring decor ideas, make sure to subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Like this video to support the channel. Comment your favorite part of the makeover and any decor ideas you'd love to see next. Turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching The Design Lounge. See you in the next video.